Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo over videos in CapCut apps. So you can just add the videos that you want to edit in the main track like this. And to add the photo over or on top of this video, you can just use this overlay button. So add overlay and then select your photos. And here I'm going to, for example, add this photo, click on add, and to easily turn it into shape, you can use the masking, and you can also adjust the duration as you like. So I'm going to go to mask and turn it into this heart shape. So don't forget to adjust the position, and you can also adjust the size like this. You can just adjust like that, and you can also add some feather if you like. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.